This is my friend's quarter-hour cuckoo clock that I've been working on for, seems like forever. But I got it to the point where I'm happy with it. Um, Her parents used to own a dollar store, and this coin is what she gave me, um, which says return this nickel for free rental. And on the back of it had their phone number, so I used it to make a pendulum bob. Now, every once in a while, you will not get the cuckoo because every so often, just like then, or maybe I was going too fast. You have to understand that it's the time that's doing this. But I'm happy with it. Again, my personal opinion, and I love German cuckoo clocks. I love German clocks. These things were a throwaway clock. They weren't made to be worked on, and I had to basically make everything from the inside. And the clock quit because it's not perfectly level, and so I need to put my hearing aids in to listen for the even tick-tock. But I hope y'all like this video set. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.